Alright guys, show you a quick demonstration of these JT Strong Arm Jacks stabilizers I just put on here. They're installed, they're not actually tightened yet, so here we go. Here's without. I was just barely leaning on it. This trailer's been wobbly from the beginning. So here you just tighten up these little T-handles. Go around to the front. Now the book says to install 2 more on these front jacks pointing backwards that direction to the frame, but I really don't think those are needed because it's mostly side to side movement that plagues this trailer. There's no real front to back movement. So now they're all locked in. Here we go. It will not budge. And I'm pushing harder on it than I was before. That's all it is to it. I'll show you how they go up. I'll just show one. Run one of them up for you. Just back it off. Impact. That's it. That's all there is to it. Took about an hour or so to install. Well worth the money in my opinion.